Hello and welcome to the full course online. In this video specifically, we'll show you how to block inappropriate websites on your child's mobile phone, step by step. Let's begin. First, open the Google Family Link app on the parent's phone. You've already seen how to manage Play Store access in our previous video, so now, tap the third option, Google Chrome and Web. You'll see 3 filter options. Let's explore each one in action. Option 1. Allow all sites. Let's start with the default setting, Allow all websites. Now, switch over to the child's phone and open the Chrome browser. Try searching for any type of content. As expected, there are no restrictions and everything is accessible. Back on the parent's phone, choose the second option, Try to block explicit sites. Now let's test it. On the child's device, open Chrome and search for inappropriate content. This time, you'll see those sites are blocked automatically, a solid first layer of protection. For even tighter control, select the third option, Only allow approved websites. Now, back on the child's phone, try searching for something like storybooks on Google. When they click on any link, they'll see a message. Ask your parent for approval. At this point, the child has 2 choices. Ask in person, the parent can unlock the site with a password. Send a request, the parent receives a message to approve it remotely. Let's go with the second option. On the parent's phone, you'll now see a request for approval. Once approved, that site is added to the safe list for future visits. And that's it. You've now seen how to use Google Family Link to filter web content and give your child a safer online experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the playlist for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.